Hello adventurers, and welcome back to my channel. If you've been with my channel very long, this might be familiar and was actually a request from one of you at home. So let's roll the intro and get right to it. Day a couple of years ago, I decided I was going to come up to Oklahoma to the Wichita Mountains and go for a hike. I had no idea what was in store, and oh my goodness, it was cold. I came up to the highest point in the Wichita Mountains, which is Mount Scott, and I was so excited to share that moment with you. We took a very chilly, windy hike, and well, we made it. Barely. Now, some of you at home on that one said,
"No way, Jose, I am not gonna hike that. But can I drive to the top because it looks cool?"
Yes, you can. So today I'm going to show you the scenic drive up to the top of Mount Scott and the overlook itself so you can see what the views look like from the highest point in this part of Oklahoma. Now we're almost to the top of the mountain, and as you can see, it's not a fast-moving trip. It's about 25 to 30 miles per hour all the way up. But that is a lot faster than by foot, by far. And the views around here are spectacular. As you go past each and every one of these rock walls, you can see the lichen and the little moss, some trickling down water, and on the other side, wow, so awesome looking. This is beautiful up here. Now, just to kind of give you a reference, this road right here is the road that you enter the Wichita Mountains on. Now, just a heads up, from the sun right here to the shade right here is probably a 10 to 15 degree difference, at least. And the wind is blowing through here every so often, and it is quite chilly as I am here in January. Brr. Now guys, once we get up to the top, the views go on for days and days, and you can come to any point on the mountain and see something spectacular. Right now, the sun is getting a little bit lower, so it's so beautiful. So as you can see, guys, the view from the top is spectacular. And whether you hike it, bike it, or drive it, it's a stop that you have to make if you're ever in Oklahoma. Again, this is the Wichita Mountain Wildlife Refuge just outside of Lawton. And this should be on your Oklahoma bucket list. Until next time, guys, bye! Oh yeah, and if you want to see what it looks like going down, here it is, sped up.